Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping method at Shopify checkout using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful when you don't want customer to see a specific delivery option during checkout. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. Okay, now we can choose the shipping method. So here we can choose the quick hide shipping method. Okay, here we have to create the rule so that here the rule name is here. So the rule status is activated. Here we have to select the shipping method. Here I'm selecting free shipping. So hide, we can change the name like hide shipping. Okay, that's it. Now in preview section, we can see that the free shipping option is hidden now. So that's it. Now we can click on save. Okay, now the rule has been created now. Okay, now we can test the checkout that the shipping method is hidden or not. We can check that. So that go to the online store. So here in cart section, we can click on checkout. So here we can see the shipping method. So here the standard shipping and express shipping we can see. So the free shipping option is hidden now. So here we can choose as per our wish. So that's it. That is done by we created this rule. So the free shipping is hidden now. So that's it. So hiding unnecessary shipping method help keep your checkout clean and let customer choose only the delivery option you want to offer. So that's it. Now you have successfully hidden a shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.